How do I stop this? I can't connect the chain to the, as you can see, that's completely rusted through. My apartment complex office and maintenance is closed because Sundays they feel that people don't have issues. A toilet doesn't know what the fuck day it is. How do I fix this? I know, you gotta put the fucking flap down. We put in a work order already on the app for Rent Cafe, but it's like, I really just don't know what to do. We also have some gloves. But I don't have anything. No, I have safety pins. Damn. I'm gonna have to get my safety pins. And make a chain of safety pins. God damn it. And then it just drops back onto the flap. Time to get safety pins and make a daisy chain out of safety pins. But what am I going to connect that to? What's thin enough? I have no idea. I hate this. Toilets don't know what day it is. But apartment complex offices are like, oh, we're closed because it's Sunday. Who here can relate to that? Leave your relate stories in the comments, please. Please help me.